what you do, but I gotta give it up to you.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be getting you guys summer ready, okay? Listen, I'm going to be wearing less and going out more this summer, okay? I'm going to be showing you guys some of my favorite lip options for this summer. Some are affordable, some a little bit more pricey, but definitely something for everyone in this video. So if you guys want to know my favorite lip options for summer 2019, then just keep on watching. Okay, so we're going to start off and then ease into a little bit of color. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to line my lips, and I'm going to use Colourpop's BFF3, which is a fave. So this first lip is really basic and really affordable. So I'm just going to be applying lip gloss. You guys, this lip gloss, my niece put me onto this, and let me tell you, it's a banger. And it's $1. It's $1 and it's from the beauty supply store, and it's by that brand NK Makeup. And this one is just their lip gel with vitamin E, and this one is the bubblegum one. This makes your lips look so good. So let me just show you. So it comes like this, and I just put a little bit on my finger and just put this on your lips. It gives your lips like this nice pink tint to it without going overboard. And this is the first one. Really basic, really affordable. And this is like a super, just like for you lip gloss girls, just quick, easy. The lips look popping, and it's just $1 lip gloss and some lip liner. And you can use any brown lip liner. So yeah, this is the first one. Super cute. I've been wearing this non-stop for like the past month. For this next lip option, I'm going to go with MAC Chestnut. You guys know my fave. Just look at it. She's a baby, but listen, she cost me $20, so I'm going to use her down, all the way down, okay? So I'm just going to align my lips. So my lips are aligned. I'm going to go with one of my favorite nudes, super drugstore. This one's from L'Oreal, and it's in Jennifer's Nude. It's like this cute pinky nude color. Pretty sheer on the lips, but this thing, it packs some power, okay? So I'm going to go ahead and put this on. And you never want to go overboard with your application. Just try to keep it in the center. And this is how it looks, but I actually like to add gloss to this. And for gloss, I want to add the Fenty Gloss Bomb in Fussy, and I'm going to add that right onto the lips. And I'm going to keep that right there. And this is this lip, super cute. You can do a lip liner that matches more of your skin tone for a more natural look. Super cute for a night out. Okay, so for the next lip, I'm going to go in with Morphe Bite Me. You guys want to make sure that your pencils are sharpened when you use them, because you get like a more precise application. And one of my favorite sharpeners is the Morphe one. You guys, this is bomb. I know you think like a sharpener is just a sharpener, but no, this one's really good. So I'm going to go ahead and line my lips. And for this one, I'm going to go ahead and fill my lips in as well. So for this one, I call this one my Ryan lip, because if you guys watch Star, you know Ryan, which is Alex on Star. She can rock a brown lip, okay? So this one's one I call my Ryan lip, and this one's also pretty affordable. This one is also by that brand NK, and I did get it from my local beauty supply store. And this is what it looks like. And I'm just going to take this and put this on my lips. This is a beautiful brown and super affordable. Like I said, $1. And this is what that looks like. I love a brown lip, and no one rocks it like Ryan, I'm telling you. But I love this. This is going to be super cute for a night out. Okay, Colourpop BFF3. So next we're going to go into just a little bit of color. So this one is by NYX, and it's called Castle, and it's like this frosty kind of purple color. This used to be my fave. I'm pretty sure I might have used it on my channel a long time ago. This used to be my favorite, but I wore it the other day. I'm like, listen, I'm bringing this back out. So I'm going to show you guys. It's like a nudie purple. I don't know how to describe it. Let me show you guys. And this is how that looks like by itself. I don't like to wear this by itself. So So I'm going to go in with the lip gloss, and this is Anastasia's Butterscotch Lip Gloss. And this is what brings it back to like more of like a nude. And this is what this lip looks like. Super cute. It's for those girls who are like me and want to do a little color but don't want to be like, boom, you know, candy yum yum all in your face. This is still super cute. So it makes it purple but like a purpley nude color. So this one's really cute. And again, this is NYX Castle paired with Butterscotch Lip Gloss by Anastasia. So I'm going to go with Morphe Bite Me Lip Pencil. You guys, I apologize about all the browns, but that's just what works for me in all of my lip options. So we're going to use MAC So Chaud, and this is a nice, beautiful orange color. So I want to show you how to apply this where it still looks nice and where it still looks tasteful, but orange. So for this, you just want to tap it into the center of your lips. So this is So Chaud by MAC. As you guys can see, it's beautiful. It's orange, but it still looks nice and tasteful. Not too in your face, but definitely perfect for the summertime. My lips are about to bleed, okay? Okay, so for this last lip, of course I want to end off with a nude just because that's just me and that's what I'm going to be wearing for the day. So I'm going to go ahead and line my lips, of course, with BFF3 by Colourpop. And for lipstick, I'm going to take Darlingly Nude by Maybelline, another affordable option. I'm just going to rub my lips together to blend that in. Now you could leave this matte, super cute matte, very cute matte. Since my lips need moisture from me to keep removing my lipstick, I'm going to add some lip gloss. And I'm going to take Praline by NYX, which is a staple, okay? And you just add that to the center. Ooh, she cute. Yeah, this is my lip for today. Ooh, she's so cute. And this is the last lip. Okay guys, so this is the final lip that I'm going to be doing. If you guys want to try any of these lip options this summer, please let me know down below. And also tag me in your pictures on Instagram. My Instagram is Celebeauti21 as well. And I hope you guys were liking these lips. Listen, I'm trying to slay this summer and I want you guys to slay with me. So go ahead and leave me a comment below and let me know if you guys were liking these lip options. And also leave me some suggestions for my channel below. And while you're here, like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys!